Welcome. God of Medicine. Name: Asclepius. Asclepius Wellness. Welcome to Health Awareness Program about lifestyle diseases by Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. Good health, good life. We want to be healthy. We want to live longer. We want to give our family health and happiness. Body composition: water, carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, fiber. Unbalanced elements. What happens when the amount of these elements in the body are unbalanced? Other related diseases like blood pressure, digestive system disorder, nervous system disorder, heart disease, bone and joint disorder, eye problem, body aches, loss of memory, hair loss. Human anatomy: atoms, cells, tissues, organs, body. Life few decades back and today. Earlier, living long, dying short. Today, living short, dying long. Are you really healthy? You healthy? You sick? You know 10% humans. 1% healthy, 1% sick, 8% not healthy. Alarming. World Health Organization report. India is the diabetic capital of the world. India is the cancer capital of the world. 67% Indian are dying because of heart disease. 85% Indian are having digestive disorder. Every 1 out of 6 in India will have Brian disorder in his lifetime. Past diseases: malaria, chicken pox, smallpox, plague, diphtheria, cholera, tuberculosis, whooping cough. Present diseases: osteoporosis, asthma, diabetes, stroke, cancer, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, arthritis, obesity, Alzheimer's. What went wrong? Earlier the food what we ate was as good as medicine. But today the food what we eat is as good as slow poison. Reason for 98% of lifestyle diseases: what your body needs: vitamins, trace elements, minerals, carbohydrates, fibers, unsaturated proteins, amino acids, enzymes, herbs, water. What your body daily gets: refined products, meat, animal products, boiled down vegetables, fruits, salt, sugar, cholesterol, caffeine, alcohol, medicine, food additives, pesticide. Supply is low against demand. Lack of nutrients. Your body don't get the right nutrients from today's diet. Genetically modified crops. Low nutrient levels in soil. Toxic pesticide from GM food crops found in unborn babies. Toxic pesticide which are implanted into genetically modified food crops have lodged in the blood of pregnant women and their unborn babies. Research shows Times of India. Cooking method. Cooking veggies for a long period of time or at a high temperature can destroy the nutrients, including those in the liquid. Storage and transport. Fruit and vegetables travel thousands of miles to reach supermarket. Food that we assume in fresh and nutritious is often quite the reverse. Egg spinach stored at room temperature loses between 50 and 90% of its vitamin C within 24 hours of being picked. Accumulation of toxins in body. Pesticide. Chemicals in food what we eat. The World Health Organization estimates that there are 3 million cases of pesticide poisoning each year and up to 220,000 deaths. Primarily in developing countries. If it's harmful to breathe, it is not harmful to eat. Toxins from environment. Air pollution is thought to be the cause for 1 in 10 deaths due to lung cancer. Environmental pollution threatens human death. Air pollution in cities causes a shorter lifespan for city dwellers. Water pollution. Studies show that the alarming rate of the increase in water pollution has affected millions of lives. More than 780 million people do not have access to clean water. Radiation. Radiation breaks down water in living cells into dangerously reactive free radicals which subject our bodies to a continual assault, attacking essential molecules of life such as DNA and proteins. Cardiovascular disease. 60% of heart-related deaths in the world will occur in India magazine. 35% deaths in India due to cardiovascular disease. Shimona Kanwar, TNN July 22, 2013, 3:04 p.m. IST. Heart diseases set to spike in India. especially in the south. According to well-known radiologist Harsh Mahajan, by 2020 India will have more than 4.7 million deaths in a year due to cardiovascular disease (CVD) and 2.58 million deaths due to coronary heart disease (CHD). Diabetes. 1 out of 7 in India is a diabetic. India having the highest number of diabetic patients in the world. The sugar disease is posing an enormous death problem in the country, calling India the diabetes capital of the world. Arthritis. India has more people suffering from arthritis than entire Europe and North America combined. Obesity. 50% of Indian population will suffer from obesity in the coming 10 years. Hypertension. 35% of school children in urban areas suffer from hypertension. Cancer. Cancer is the third largest killer in India. In India, 4 lakhs die of cancer every year. The ministry data shows 25 lakh cancer patients in the country at any point in time. Cancer is the third biggest killer in India. Osteoporosis. Expected case of osteoporosis will increase by 250 million by 2015 based on 2001 census. Approximately 163 million Indians, all the above age of 50. This is the expected case for osteoporosis, which will increase to 250 million by 2015. Department of Endocrinology and Diabetes, New Delhi. Allergy. At present, about 20 to 30% of India's population suffers from one or more allergic diseases and the numbers are increasing. A report quoted Dr. Ruby Pavankar, president of WAO, as saying that the increase has been particularly hard for children. The way these are occurring, we believe by 2050, about 50% of all children will have same sort of allergies, Pavankar says. Stone problem. 1 as every 20 people develop kidney stones at some point in their life. Kidney stones from when there is a decrease in urine volume and or an excess of stone-forming substances in the urine. Gynecological problems. Menopause at age 20 times of India. Puberty strikes as early at age 5 in Bangalore times of India. New urban scare menopause in 20s. Hetal Vyas TNN. 1 in 20 women hit by early menopause. Doctors baffled at rising numbers of under 40s affected by Jenny Hope. Updated 6:42 Greenwich Mean Time, the 7th of July 2011. Liver. 1 in every 5 persons in the state has some or the other liver complication. An estimated 30,000 people are dying of terminal liver disease and liver cancers every year. Liver disease are among the top 10 cases of death in India, affecting people in all age groups, a statistic that doctors wish to highlight on World Liver Day. How to bring back the optimal health? Optimal health. The only answer is change your lifestyle. Aware about food, lifestyles and lifestyles disorder. Fulfill the nutritional deficiency with nutritional supplement and ancient Ayurveda. If we aware, educate about lifestyle disorder, then we will be healthy without any medicine. Our mission is to spread health, wealth and happiness. Shri Sanjeev Kumar, MD and CAO of AWPL. Director's message. Great day. Thank you for a very warm shake hand. We want to thank all of you and welcome you in Asclepius Wellness Private Limited, one of the fastest growing health and wellness company. As you know that health sector is a $1 billion industry, but health and wellness is a $1 trillion industry. Therefore we have started AWPL with a vision of a healthy India and wealthy India. AWPL is a company engaged in world-class Ayurvedic wellness products and marketing of such products by direct marketing methods. We are committed to help people live a life of economic freedom on their own teams. As you know, the entire management professional in AWPL are very successful and having huge experience in direct selling industry, so you can be rest assured that your health and wealth is in very safe hands and AWPL is going to be a win business for you. Dear friends, let's grow and create a benchmark in direct selling with team spirit. We wish you good luck. Director, Elite, nothing else. AWPL bank account details. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bank of India. Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. Legal certificates. AWPL Ayurveda certificates. Welcome to Asclepius Wellness Products. We have 4 category. 1 health care, 2 personal care, 3 beauty care, 4 oral care, 5 food supplement. Thank you for watching.